Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Jenoah and in this video I will proceed the creation of a mobile game that I am making. It's a mining game in which the player's goal is to gain as much as possible money, and money can be obtained by mining materials, but some of these materials are obstructed. At this point I do not have a lot to show, but what I have is the basic mining functionality and a player. Speaking about the player movement is the first thing that I wanted to change. For quick prototyping I made it so that you could use the arrow keys, but of course phones don't have arrow keys. The most straightforward way is to move the player to the tile that is being touched. If the tile hasn't been mined yet, you need to mine it, and otherwise you can move to it. As expected, it didn't work on the first try. The character only moved half blocks but mostly didn't move at all. I threw my current way of movement out the window and started to experiment with the smooth damp function in Unity. I usually lurk between positions, but after fiddling around with the smooth damp, I managed to get a better feeling movement system. And with this system, the player now smoothly transitions from one tile to another without any hiccups. Then it was time to add something that you don't see the sky when you mine a tile, but actually see a background tile. This was pretty simple to do, so here it is. Let's go on with the next thing. To make it look more attractive, I needed to add some juice to the game. For now I just added some screen shake and particle effects, but I will probably add more later on in development. Oh, the pickaxe is also something that I added. It points towards the mouse or your last touched location. That also concludes this devlog. I know it's a tad short, but I like this style of videos. If you have any requests or recommendations for the game, feel free to let me know, and anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.